Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you step by step how to dual boot Windows and Ubuntu on the same computer. Every time you turn on your PC you will see at boot menu where you can choose between Windows and Ubuntu. And all of your data and Windows will 100% safe. So make sure to follow each step carefully. Before we start I have a small request, please like the video and subscribe to support my channel. First we need to make space on our hard drive for Ubuntu. In Start menu search Create and open this. Select a drive with extra storage, right-click it and choose Shrink Volume. Enter the amount of space you want to give Ubuntu. I recommend at least 30 to 50 GB. Now right-click on it and choose New Simple Volume. Now keep clicking Next. Finally click Finish. Once done, you'll see a new space. That's where Ubuntu will be installed later. Now open your browser and search Ubuntu. Open the first website and download the latest ISO file. This file contains the Ubuntu operating system. Now we will need a tool called Rufus to make our USB bootable. Search for Rufus. Open the first website and download its latest version. Plug in your USB drive. Make sure it's at least 8 GB. Now right-click on your USB drive and format it. Here make sure to select exFAT. Now open Rufus. Under Device, select your USB drive. Click Select and choose the Ubuntu ISO file. Now select Partition Scheme of your PC. If you don't know your partition scheme, simply search System Information in Search tab. Here you will find your BIOS mode. If it says Legacy, then choose MBR, and if it says UEFI, then choose GPT. Leave other settings as default, then click Start. This will erase everything on the USB drive, so make sure you've backed up any important files. Once done, click Close. Now your bootable USB is ready. To install Ubuntu, restart your PC. As PC restarts, press the boot key, usually F12, F2 or Del depending on your PC. Select your USB drive from the boot menu and press Enter. Choose Try or Install Ubuntu and press Enter. Now follow all on-screen instructions. Once the installation is complete, remove the USB drive and restart your computer. You'll now see a boot menu where you can choose between Windows and Ubuntu every time you start your system. And that's it, you now have both Windows and Ubuntu installed on computer. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.